supposed to land in Upper Shillong in ALG, but the weather was bad, as you can see, and so here we are. We landed in UCC now, and of course there's nobody. This is a surprise visit one way, and now we're going to walk from here to the main road, and hopefully we'll get a taxi from there, and we'll go back home because our car ride will take at least an hour to reach here. So we diverted for safety reasons, and it's good. I think that's the most important part. But now we are stuck here. Well, we'll figure out how to get back to the city. Yeah, so we are just walking, taking a nice stroll.
We are walking slowly, sir. Towards college, towards college.
Oh, huh? I'm from Garo Hills. I had gone yesterday. Oh. So, short story is, my chopper got diverted here. We're supposed to land in Shillong, ALG, Upper Shillong, but weather is bad. So you can see now also, so it was very cloudy. Chopper couldn't land in ALG. So they were going to divert and go to Guwahati.
Okay.
I said, Guwahati means I'll lose the whole evening.
Yes.
So I told them, can we land somewhere here?